Hi guys, in this video we are learning more about vector cross product, and let's start with some basic information. So this is our x-axis and this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Okay, and suppose in this direction there is a vector A, and in this direction vector is B and C, and we know that angle between A and B is 90 degree, angle between B and C is 90 degree, angle between C and A is 90 degree. All are 90 degrees. So with the help of dot product rule, we know that A dot B should be equal to 0. Why it should be 0? Because dot product is A dot B is given by modulus of A modulus of B cos theta, and theta is 90 degree. So once you put cos 90, so cos 90 will be 0, so their dot product will be 0. Similarly, we can say B dot C will be equal to 0, or you can say A dot C will be equal to 0. So this is about the dot product. Now for cross product, so cross product, if this is vector A in this direction and this is another vector B in this direction, and angle between them it is theta, then cross product always perpendicular to these two vectors, and its direction we can find it with the right hand rule. Okay, if you put your first finger here in the direction of A and second finger in the direction of B, then your thumb will be showing the direction of A cross B. Those who have seen my first video, if you haven't seen, please go through it. I have explained how to find the direction. So A cross B works perpendicular to both A and B. So we can say here from this point A cross B and their dot product. So this is also 90 degree. So we can say A cross B dot A will be equal to 0. Similarly, we can say A cross B dot B is also equal to 0. So their dot product is equal to 0. Why dot product 0? Because angle between them is 90 degree, in dot cos comes and cos 90 is 0. Okay, these are the basic things we should know. Now we are going to find the unit vector in the direction of A cross B. So if we need to find a unit vector, so what is unit vector? So suppose if A is unit vector like 3i plus 2j plus k, and you need to find unit vector. So by definition of unit vector, you should know this, we are putting cap. A unit vector is given by vector A divided by its modulus A. So vector A is 3i plus 2j plus k divided by modulus of A. So if we find modulus of A, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, and 1 square is 1. So it is 14. So it should be 14. So if our question comes, find a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. If there are two vectors, yeah. So let me scroll down. So if there are two vectors, one is vector A in this direction and there is another vector B in this direction, and you need to find unit vector in this direction perpendicular to A and B. So we know in this direction is A cross B, yeah. So indirectly we need to find unit vector of A cross B. So let's put cap sign here. So A cross B is given by using this rule. A cross B is given by uh, vector A cross B divided by its modulus, right? So let's see question here. So question is, find a unit vector perpendicular perpendicular to vector. There are two vector perpendicular to A. A is given 4i plus 3j plus 2k, 4i plus 3j plus 2k, and another vector is given B, that is 8i plus 3j plus 3k, 3k. Okay, so these are two vectors and you need to find a unit vector. Okay, unit vector perpendicular to this. So if there are two vectors, their unit vector will be in this direction. That will indirectly give you cross product. So let's find the cross product first here. So cross product of A cross B we can find using matrices rule. So write down here I, J and K. So here it is 4, 3 and 2. So let's write down here 4, 3 and 2, and here is 8, 3, 3. So let's write down here 8, 3, 3. So as I explained you how to find matrices, so we consider sign here. So this is with plus, this is with minus and plus. So let's put plus I here first. Okay, when you are taking plus sides, we are leaving this row and this column. So if you're leaving this row, so let me highlight this or let me cancel it like this. So if you're taking this row and this column, so what is left here? 3, 2 and 3, 3. So let's write down here 3, 2 and 3, 3. Okay, is that fine? So similarly, now we are taking minus sign. So I'm using different color here so that minus J. So it is minus J. So what we are doing, we are leaving this row again and this column. So we are left with 4, 8 and 2, 3. So write down here 4, 8 and 2, 3. Okay. Now we are going for K. So plus K. So you write down here plus K. Okay. And what is left? So we are leaving this row definitely and this column. So we are left with 4, 3 and 8, 3. So let's write down here 4, 3 and 8, 3. So here it is 4, 3 and 8, 3. Okay, now we will solve it. So when we are solving, so it is I and we multiply like this first. 3 times 3 is 9, then put minus sign, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then this is minus j, again same thing, 3 times 4 is 12, then minus sign, 8 times 2 is 16. Then plus k, this is 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so we have got here 9 take away 6, that is 3i. 12 minus 16 is minus 4, minus 4 times minus j, that is plus 4j. 12 minus 24 is minus 12, minus 12 times k, that is minus 12k. Okay, this is our A cross B. Now we need to find unit vector in this direction. So A cross B unit vector, this is unit vector sign, is given by A cross B divided by its modulus. Okay, so A cross B is 3i plus 4j minus 12k divided by its modulus. So it is 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and minus 12 square is 144. So if you add, it will be 169 and the square root of 169 is 13. So you can say 3i plus 4j minus 12k divided by 13. So this is basically a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B vector. Yeah. Now one question for you. So please pause the video for that question and have a go. So this is a question. Find a unit vector that is perpendicular to both 2i minus j and 4i plus j plus 3k. Please pause the video and have a go. So remember here, if you have tried, so there is no k, so you can assume it is 0k. So this will be your A vector. A vector will be 2i minus j plus 0k, and B is 4i plus j plus 3k. Okay, and your answer should be I plus 2j minus 2k divided by 3. So this should be your answer. Yeah, if you are not getting this answer, check your calculation and please go over my video again, and we'll stop here, and we'll see you soon. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and show your comments. This is quite encouraging for us to make more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.